Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to lock a folder in MacBook Pro, Air, or iMac. Now, what you're going to do first, you're going to just hit the search bar at the top and type disk utility, right? Press the first search result. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit the file at the top. Under file, you're going to see new image. It's going to take you to blank image for folder. So I'm going to hit image folder, right? Add the file that you want to add. Let's say I'm gonna add, let me add this one. Okay, I'm gonna hit choose. We're gonna name it locked example. Under, you're gonna find encryption and image format. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna focus on the encryption. I'm gonna hit the first one, 128-bit. And I'm gonna add the password, okay? And verify, of course, the password, right? Hit choose, and the image format should be compressed. Hit save, just wait for a few moments, and the file will be locked and loaded. The only way to get there, or the only way to access it, would be using a password. So I'm gonna hit done, right? You can see here if I went, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Catch you in the next time.